Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After completing the first lab task and presenting it, let's jump towards the second one. Here we are having the second lab manual, and in this lab manual we are going to practice the practice task given, which are some basic Linux commands. Here we are having them. Yeah. Okay. So moving towards the VMware environment and opening the terminal. Okay. Starting from the first command, which is echo. Echo just simply displays all the contents you are writing. Okay, echo in front of echo. All the contents you are writing in front of echo. Okay, it got displayed my name. The second thing we are going to do is to who command, run who command, which just displays the name and the daytime terminal. Then who am I is displaying the name only. Yeah, displaying the name only. Then we have uptime will basically what it does is that it will show you the time since your PC is running after the last reboot. Here we are having it. Then we have name is the name of the operating system we are working on right now. Then we have the host name, which is basically the name of our virtual machine, which is Nimra virtual machine, and it got displayed. Then we have ls command. It will provide you the list and directories present in this environment right now. Then we have clear. It will clear everything we are having on the screen. And then we have cp. It will copy file like cp. File name one might be labtask.c, and then labtask.c, and then the second file which we are going to enter is practice task 3.c. It got copied, hopefully. Let's just check it. We are having no practice task 2 here. Wait. Okay, so what it does is that it copies all the contents of the practice task into the lab task, or in lab task into the practice task. Okay. Yeah, the same code we are having in both the files. Okay, now moving towards the next command, which is cat command. What cat command does is that it outputs the contents of one or more files. Okay, so we are having cat practice task 3.c, and it gave the code present in task 3.c. Okay, now we have mv file. What mv file does is that it will rename the file. If you would rename the file as labtask, okay, but let's run it. Labtask.c as nimra.c. It will rename it. Now we have rm file to delete any file. Rm to delete like lab nimra.c. If we want to delete nimra.c, it will delete it. Then we have a date command to show us the date. Okay, and then we have a call command to display the calendar. Okay, we have to install that and then we will be running it. I will install it later. Then we have clear command to clear the contents of the screen, and then exit command to exit the shell. And then we have mkdir to make the directory and rmdir to remove any directory. Okay, these are the basic commands which we know already. So let's jump towards the next one, which is cd command. Cd command is to change any content, any directory. To change any directory, we use cd. Then we have man command. Man is to show the detailed content. So if you want to know the detailed contents of ls, then you write it as man ls. Man is basically manual, and it will show this, and then q and quit. Yeah, we have wc to have the know-how of how many number of letters or characters, words or characters you have in your file. You can write it as wc file name just practice task 3.c, and 134 words or characters you say. Okay, so we are done with all of the commands present in lab task 2. Let's move towards the third lab task.